talent in our team, left arm spinner, all-rounder, Rishi Shah.
Congratulations, Rishi. All the best.
Man of the match goes to Rishi Shah. Happy birthday, Rishi! Happy birthday! 18th happy
Happy birthday, Rishi.
Happy birthday, Rishi.
Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. You have always made us proud, whether academically or in cricket.
May all your dreams come true.
We are always with you, Rishi.
See you soon in a blue.
Happy birthday once again. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Rishi, once again. Enjoy your day and rock.
ઋષિ
હેપી બર્થડે ઋષિ.
અમારા વાલા પુત્ર ઋષિ, અમારી મૂડીનું યાદ તને આજના જન્મદિવસે અમારા હૃદયપૂર્વકના અભિનંદન અને શુભેચ્છા. આજનો તારો 18મો જન્મદિવસ તને સગીરમાંથી પુખ્ત બનાવે છે. તારા હર સપના પૂરા થાય. સચિન ને કોહલી જેવો મહાન ક્રિકેટર બની તારા માતા પિતાનું તથા દાદા દાદીનું નામ રોશન કરે એવી અભ્યર્થના. દાદા દાદીના આશીષ.
દાદા દાદા
બસ.
હેપી બર્થડે ઋષિ. તારું બાળપણ બહુ સરસ રીતે ગયું છે. તું નાનપણમાં બહુ જ ડાયો હતો અને ભણવામાં બી અત્યારે હોશિયાર છે. તું ક્રિકેટમાં બી આગળ વધજે એવા તને મારા આશીર્વાદ છે. અને ભણી ગણીને હોશિયાર છે. તું અમારા પરિવારનો તેંડુલકર બનજે એવી મારી અભિલાષા છે. હેપી બર્થડે.
Happy birthday to you, Ishibai. May God bless you. Happy birthday, Ishibai. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you. May God
जन्नत से मुलाकात हो. Happy birthday, Shiva. Happy birthday, Shiva.
Happy birthday to you.
હેપી બર્થડે. ભણવામાં તું આગળ વધ અને મમ્મી પપ્પા જેવું હોશિયાર બન. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. જય જલારામ બાપા.
ઋષિ, હેપી બર્થડે. તું ક્રિકેટમાં આગળ વધ અને રવિન્દ્ર જાડેજા જેવો બન. કાકા કાકીના આશીર્વાદ.
હેપી બર્થડે ઋષિ. ઇન્ડિયન ક્રિકેટ ટીમમાં તારો ચાન્સ લાગી જાય અને ટોપર બની જા અને સાથે સાથે સીએ બી થઈ જાય, તેથી પપ્પાની તારી ફોર્મ બી સંભાળી શકે. ઓલ ધી બેસ્ટ.
गुजरे ऐसी हर रात रात हो ख्वाहिशों से बात बात आशा
Hi Rishi, wish you happy birthday. On this day, I would also like to wish Payal Ben and Sandeep Bhai because this is in real sense today your Mother's Day and Father's Day. Today you are entering into the youth. You are leaving behind the childhood, and this youth gives you a power to vote, to drive, and along with this you get a lot of freedom. But this freedom comes with a responsibility. So be a responsible person. I know you have a dream of becoming a cricketer. But dream is not that which you see during the sleep. It is something that does not let you sleep. Believe in yourself and the world will be at your feet. We wish your dream come true and each morning brings new hope and new energy to fulfill your dream. Wish you a happy birthday. Be happy. God bless you.
Hi Rishi, many happy returns of the day. Wish you fulfill your dreams, reach your goal, and I wish you happy, successful life. Good luck.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया
Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. This is the time, let's do or die. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. This is the time, let's do or die.
कोई तेरे आगे टिक पाए ना वो भी तेरे सामने आएगा कोई तेरे आगे टिक पाए ना वो भी तेरे सामने आएगा तू कर दे तमाशा सब देखें आज तमाशा तू कर दे तमाशा हर बॉल को दे तमाशा दे झटका दे फटका आज हो जाए धूम धड़का झटका दे फटका आज हो जाए धूम धड़का झटका दे फटका आज हो जाए धूम धड़का
First of all, I would like to wish you many happy returns of the day. May Almighty fulfill your all wishes. It was pleasure to have a disciplined and hardworking schoolboy in our SVIS cricket team. Sometime I feel you are the one of the teammates who gave me recognition as an school cricket coach when we reached finals of the prestigious Harris Shield in the year 2017. Recently you sent me a clipping of your corrected bowling action, which I found technically correct and smooth. Keep working on that with the same action, and I'm sure you will achieve your goals with your hard working capabilities. Wish you all the very best to become a good sportsman and a good human too. God bless you. All the best. Bye.
Rishi, many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with happiness, health, wealth, and all your dreams come true. And with your commitment, You've shown very good improvement in your bowling, and I hope that you will achieve great heights. And I am always there to help you. Don't worry. God bless. Take care.
Rishi, many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful 18th birthday. Enjoy the year. God bless. We need 18 runs every over this season.
Hi Rishi, wish you many happy returns of the day and all the best for your cricketing career and studies.
Hi Rishi, wishing you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you and may you have a wonderful year around. All the best, take care. Bye.
Rishi, many happy returns of the day.
Hi Rishi, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with good health and a prosperous year and many more success in cricket. Have a blast year, Rishi.
Rishi, many happy returns of the day. God bless you. Take care. Study hard. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Many happy returns of the day.
Wish you a very happy birthday.
Yeah, we miss you.
Definitely will miss you.
Okay, beta. Bye.
Bye. All the best.
All the best.
Enjoy your day. Bye.
घुमा के आरे पारे घुमा के गुत्थी गुत्थम घुमा के अड़चन खड़चन घुमा के जियो खिलाड़ी मारे मारे जियो खिलाड़ी मारे मारे ओ अड़े पड़े घुमा के आरे पारे घुमा के गुत्थी गुत्थम घुमा के अड़चन खड़चन घुमा के छुटा हौसला बदल फैसला
हैप्पी बर्थडे ऋषि, एंजॉय योर डे. मिलते हैं फिर बाद में. हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन.
Happy birthday Rishi.
हैप्पी बर्थडे. वो भी क्या दिन थे जब हम दोनों ओपनिंग पार्टनर्स हुआ करते थे.
हैप्पी बर्थडे चिली.
Happiest 18th birthday गोरिल्ला. चीटिंग कम किया अगर थोड़ा बड़ा हो जा. चल हैप्पी बर्थडे. मीट सून.
हैप्पी बर्थडे रोहित. गॉड ब्लेस यू ब्रो.
यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, गुल्लक में पड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन. ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी जिंदगी जीने की उम्र थी. दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे. वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे. वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं. हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं. तूफानों को चीर के मंजिल